Good morning, everyone. We're gonna start with looking at VRPX. VRPX. Let's see. Let's look at the daily first. Definitely a gap up on the daily. Okay, it's a fairly new stock. IPO this year. Let's see. What do we got here? I have that one, 824. High of this day as well. It's like 849. It's broken, definitely broken previous resistance. And we're just marking them up, the daily ones at least. That's the daily. Let's look at the hourly. Two large green candles. Question is it due for a pullback already? 15-minute one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green candles. Two of them with large volume there. Looks like it is screaming for a pullback. There's nothing but blue skies on top though. Based on the daily, there's nothing but blue skies. Does look like it wants to have a pullback there. 15-minute high of that candle. 874, possibly pull back towards 874. So yeah, we'll stay patient with it, and it looks like for sure on the 1 minute there has been resistance right now. 990, you can see clearly moved up, consolidated, held VWAP, moved up once again, and then consolidated and found resistance. Now it's pulling back a little bit, which is fine. It's healthy. It's been on a rather aggressive uptrend, so we'll let it pull back and we'll take it from there. All right, so it's came down and it's found the support here right there around 917. Looks like there's a resistance there as well, 965. So is that pullback the only pullback it's gonna give us? That's the question. Or will it continue coming down and then towards VWAP possibly? It's gonna test that resistance around 963, breaking it. Possible head and shoulders pattern here. The high of 990, it's gonna probably tap to 990, come back down. We'll give it some time. There it goes. Little rejection from 990. Still waiting for it to break below 917, come towards 875. That'll be a better entry point. You see all these lines they're basically a support from higher time frames, like the daily, the hourly, 15-minute. There it is, falling below that 917. We'll give it some time to decide what it wants to do here. We are in no rush and we are not in any urgency to trade here. It's kind of struggling around that area, isn't it? But like it to fall a little lower. it came down, bounced off VWAP perfectly, came back up, rebroke into this range, but now it's just struggling at the bottom of the range around 917. So definitely willing to just be patient. If it freaking flies up right now, oh well, there's nothing we can do. That's not how we trade. It's kind of erratic if it does that, but it could do that, you know. It's not our style of trading. We want it to fall lower and then buy and then boom, pop up. So we'll wait. We'll definitely wait. Meanwhile, I'll pause again. I don't know, man. The exception of this little pivot here coming down to test VWAP, it's been holding this 917 area relatively well. Held it once, twice, 3 times, and then moved all the way up towards 991. Boom, broke below the 917, came towards VWAP, held it, and then immediately came back up towards this range, tested it again 4 times, and then it's holding it now once again, or at least it's trying to, right? For the 5th time. It has tested this resistance at 965 once, twice, 3 times. So it's now definitely within this range. We were expecting it to show more weakness, fall below 917 towards 875. That's what we've been waiting for. Though it's simply consolidated within this range, we'll just have to sit patiently and we'll just wait for the right setup. Be right back. Okay, here it comes. It looks like we have another drop, as we did here. Boom. Coming back down towards VWAP. Very nice. I want it to continue falling a little more. And then we'll have our stop loss underneath this pivot there. This pivot's high, which is 875. We'll have it under 875 and the take profit near the high of day there, since we have a blue sky clear setup. This is the highest the stock has been at 1008. Nice. Testing that support. Breaking below it. This is all fine. We're just waiting for it to come back up, actually. See where it wants to consolidate from this drop, and then we'll make a decision to enter. Just have to be very careful here. There's definitely bid support there. Very nice. Throw out order there. Freak, we're a little too late. Hold on. Oh, okay. There you go. So it's falling towards this support, clear bounce, and now we're expecting it to show strength. It's broken above VWAP, and we're looking for it to re-enter this range where it was range bound and continue to move upwards after that. Since we waited for it to come down and test this major support, now we're expecting it to hold and bounce. So let's just watch it play out here. Goes testing 9, testing 905. There's a high here at 905 where there's resistance. Want to see that break on 905. There's that break on 905. We're going to re-enter this range. 917, it's hesitating. Coming down to retest that VWAP area. Okay, some buyers coming in there. Coming back up to test that range support. Previous support it broke below. Nope. An aggressive rejection there actually. Trying to retest that 875. It's 888, 892. Wow, what a pullback, right? Pullback all over here. It's trying to build its back. Now it's trying to build its way back up. There's a lot of sellers up in this thing now though. Yeah, possibly stop out here. Can you retest that 875 once again? Keeps testing this support. It's been strong enough so far. If it manages to break below it, that's it, man. We're getting stopped out. Some buyers coming in now. Let's see it break that 9. No. Sellers just stepping in and just wiping us down. It's taking a while, but it's still holding that support. Or is it? I feel like it's gonna break below it, guys, any minute or any second. These things move quick. It's 878, 879. It's bid support 880. Now it's just within this range between 875 and 9. Okay. Back up towards 905. Nope. So large sellers up here, 905. This manages to break the 905, just brings it back down. That coming down, aggressively stopping us out. That thing just sank like a rock. Alright, I guess that's the losing trade for Tuesday, August 17. And we tried to take a stab at it. The stock that was up over 100%, we managed to lose money. It's okay. We took the L like a champ. And there'll be better opportunities out there in the future. So that'll be it. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Have a great day, and thanks for being here. Bye.